Today, what I got for you guys is a DIY. Today, guys, we're going to be making some designer cones. We're going to turn these plain cones into these fabulous cones. Okay, guys? It looks like this. This is the back. Clean, nice, ready to put in your hair. Alright? So with that being said, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share out my videos, and check out my merch. I'm going to leave the link in the description. Alright? With that being said, guys, let's get started. So what you need for this project is beads. You need plain cones. You need some gold string, or you can use also the clear wire. You could use that as well. And that's about it. So let's get started. Okay, guys, as you can see, I have already started it, my loop. So we're going to thread the cord, the gold cord. We're going to thread it with our beads. We're going to thread one, then you're going to wrap it around the tooth of the comb one time. Then you're going to loop again. Hope you guys are having a wonderful, lovely day. And you're gonna, can you see that, guys? Look, I looped, hold it with your finger, wrap on the tooth of the comb, like so, and pull a tongue. That's all you gotta do. And you in the game, baby, you in the game. Loop, thread your bead, like so, hold it, you can pick the comb up if you need to, and just wrap it around the tooth, bring it up, and do it again. You know what I'm saying? And then drop that bead in there again, and unwrap, do it again. Become easy now, huh? That's right. Look who's teaching it. Look who's teaching it. Wrap it around again, guys. We're almost at the end of the game. Can't be defeated. I don't even know what that is. You know? Wrap it again. Wait, I need to put it on this one. Do it again. Okay. I got these long nails, so it's hard to grab it when I get to this point, but that's okay. I'll get it done. I'll get her done. And you're gonna come in, wrap it again. The string gets shorter, but that's okay. This is your last loop, baby. Alright, so it should be looking like that. You got them all on. Okay, they popping. Yeah, look at that. Pop locking like for real. So what you do with this last string, guys, you're going to take it and wrap it around the last bead that you put on, like so it don't show. Okay? And now what you do, you're going to cut the, after you take your hot glue gun, right, you're going to cut the little excess. So you want to glue that down first. Let's do that. Hold it in place. Yeah, now. Bam. Thank you, ma'am. Now, we're going to cut that little stringy, raggedy ass string off. Sorry. Oops! You're going to cut that string off there. That was funny. Bleep, 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 bleep. Bleep that, guy. Bleep that. With that being said, guys, then you want to come back in from where you first started and you have that other little raggedy string. You want to cut that off too. Okay. And your merchandise should be looking like this, guys. Look at that. Check it out. Yeah, baby. Okay. It's time to open up shop. Look at that, guys. All right. Look at the first one. That's what I'm talking about. That's what's up. That's what's up, guys. All right. Now let's do the next one. Let's get it cracking. All right. So the next one, guys, so much easier. So what you do, you take the comb. Once again, you take this little plain Jane right here. Move these out the way because you don't need these. And you're going to take this loveliness right here. I'm going to use this one. I'm going to choose this color, guys. Okay, see? I'm choosing this color. So, what you do, lay the comb flat. Take from the beginning of the edge. You're going to place it like so. Alright? Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Measure it. Basically, you're measuring it, okay? So you got what you need. Bam! On there good, huh? Alright? Alright, guys. Let me... Alright. Can you see that good? You're gonna press taut. Taut as you can get it. Alright. Now, you got the measurement that we need. So I said about right there. About right there. Okay. Come in with this little glooby booby. I'm about to say, I know I got something in there. Just go across it right quick. Because it dries real quick. So you want to go in. Alright, see how fast I did that, guys? Can't be defeated. I'm trying to tell you. Let that sit for a second. Cause we about to snip that off. Alright, your comb is already ready, baby. It's already on deck. Let me just clip that part right there. That probably didn't even take a second to transform something so beautiful. That's great. Just clip that off. You can use that for something else. Alright. That being said, check it. Check her out. Look at that. What you talking about, Willis? Look at that. Alright. Beautiful. I don't care what you say. Check her. Alright. All up in there. Ain't going nowhere. Alright. So, we got 3 beautiful transformations going on here, guys. Choose to do it any way you want to. They are all easy to do. Alright, all easy. And look like we got a 10-minute job going. I appreciate that. I'm about to, about to shut it down. 10 minutes on these beautifulness. Alright. That being said, guys, I appreciate you guys for stopping by to see what your girl over here hooking up. That being said, take another last look at these great creations. Alright. Alright. I'd like to give a shout out. I'm going to give a shout out to... Let me think about this shout out before I get to the 10-minute mark. Who I ain't shouted out in a long time. Let me see. Okay, I got one for you. This is a newbie. A newbie. I want to shout out Lilac Glow. LILACGLO. I will be leaving her link in the description so you can check out her channel. If you like what you see, make sure you like and comment and subscribe to her channel. Do it the right way, because your subscribers won't stick if you don't watch the video. You must like. Okay, you don't have to like it, like make it blue or anything, because I'm just saying about the subscribing part. I'm telling you right now, if you was wondering why your subscription wasn't going up, you must watch the video before you push the subscribe button, guys. How I do it, I'll like the video, I'm watching the video, I'm going to check out the about section on this person before I subscribe, and then I'm gonna leave a comment, and then after all that, the video is over. Of course I'm gonna subscribe if I like it. Okay? And that's why they always stick. You feel me? With that being said, guys, I hope you learned something. I really hope you learned something, because that's huge. Alright? Take a good last look. I'm about to shut down the live. I appreciate each and every one of you taking the time out your day. Come and show and sales Lady Boss off some love. Alright? That being said, guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace. See you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.